Gather close for tonight. I will share with you the story of the proud cock and the rain. It is a tale from the old days when animals spoke, when the sun rose with laughter, and when every creature had a lesson to teach. Listen carefully, for this story is not just about a bird and the fallen sky. It is about pride, humility, and the strength of nature. In a faraway village, where the huts were round and the farms stretched wide, there lived a cock, a rooster, bright and handsome. His feathers shone red like fire, and his comb stood tall like a crown upon his head. Every morning, the cock would climb the tallest roof and crow, "Cuckoo! Wake up, world, for I, the great cock, have brought the sun." The cock said proudly, "Oh yes, without my voice, how would the people rise? Without my crow, will the sun not sleep forever?" The cock believed his crowing brought forth the morning, and because of this, he grew proud, so proud that he looked down on the other animals. The cock said, "Goat, you only chew grass. Dog, you only bark and chase shadows. But I summon the light, I command the day." The other animals shook their heads. They whispered among themselves. The goat said, "This cock does not know that pride goes before a fall." The dog said, "One day, nature will teach him." But the cock only puffed his chest higher and strutted about the village square, his feathers gleaming like a king's robe. Then came a season of rain. At first, gentle drops fell upon the earth, bringing coolness to the hot soil. The farmer rejoiced. The children danced in puddles, and the yam plants began to grow strong. But soon, the clouds grew darker. The skies roared with thunder. The wind howled through the trees. Rain began to pour in torrents, stronger, heavier, and fiercer. The cock, still proud, stood on the rooftop, feathers bristling. "Ha! What is this noise? Clouds, you dare challenge me? Do you not know I command the day? Do you not know the world rises at my call?" But the rain only grew stronger. Sheets of water poured down, drenching the cock until his beautiful feathers clung to his body like rags. "No, my feathers, my crown! How dare this rain humiliate me?" The wind blew so fiercely that the cock slipped from the rooftop. He landed in the mud with a loud splat. The other animals gathered round, watching silently. The goat said, "Now, does the cock still think he commands the sun?" The dog said, "Let him learn that the earth is older and greater than pride." The cock lay shivering in the mud, His horn's glorious feathers now looked dull. His comb drooped and his voice cracked. Why? Why has the rain shamed me so? I only wished to be honored. At that moment, the wise tortoise stepped forward. He said, Cock, your voice wakes the world. Yes, but it does not wake the sun. You are important, but you are not all powerful. Even the smallest creature has its place. Pride made you blind. Now you see that the rain which feeds the earth is greater than your crowing. The cock bowed his head for the first time. He felt shame, not the shame of losing feathers, but the shame of realizing his foolishness. You are right, tortoise. Without the rain, the earth cannot live. Without the sun, crops cannot grow. Without the people, my crow would be useless. I am not the master of the world, but I am a servant in it. From that day, the cock still crowed at dawn, but not with pride. He crowed with gratitude. His call became a song of thanks, not a boast. And so, my friends, the proud cock learned his lesson. Nature is greater than any one creature. Pride lifts us high, but it also makes the fall harder. Humility, however, brings wisdom. The rains still fall, the cock still crows, but now, whenever you hear the rooster at dawn, remember this story. Remember that no one is above the gifts of the earth. Be humble, be thankful, and respect the balance of life. For even the proud cock bowed before the rain. Thank you, my friends, for listening. Until next time, walk gently, live humbly, and let the story guide your heart. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more stories.